I'm an inflammatory bowel disease researcher, and these are 3 non-negotiable foods that I include in my diet every single day for the best possible gut health. If you enjoy this kind of content, then I'd love it if you followed my page. The first one is extra virgin olive oil, which I basically drizzle on everything, and that's because extra virgin olive oils have things called phenolic compounds like hydroxytyrosol. They have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They can heal the gut lining. They also can improve digestion. The second thing is going to be berries like blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, really any berries you like. They're high in fiber, and fiber is important because it can feed our beneficial gut bacteria. And a low fiber diet is also associated with many health issues like diabetes, heart disease, even depression, cancers, you kind of name it. And so berries are a good way because they taste good, so it's an easy way to get more fiber in your diet. Lastly, probiotic-rich foods like kimchi, kefir, kombucha, those kinds of things can actually restore a healthy gut microbiome. And interestingly, it can heal your skin through the gut-skin axis. So definitely get more of those kinds of foods in your diet as well.